Hey Farr fam, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you guys are gonna come along with us to, again, Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We are actually going to Dollywood this time with my family, so that should be really, really fun.
Yeah, and we're staying at a new resort, which is gonna be exciting.
We're staying at the Dollywood Resort, right on property. So it's gonna be really cool. We'll get some cinnamon bread. Yeah, and get ready for room tours, resort stuff. Yep, we're gonna be going to Dollywood tomorrow and riding all the fun rides. Yeah, so that should be really fun. Stay tuned for that. But first, we already dropped the dogs off. We already got our Duncan. And we have about an 8.5 hour drive, which means we're probably gonna be stopping at a place you guys are familiar with, is Buc-ee's. You guys know we love Buc-ee's, so we're gonna be stopping there, I'm sure, on the way. So let's get going and get on the road. And we're first meeting my family at McDonald's, because you guys know, every time we go on vacation, we get McDonald's breakfast. So we're headed there right now, and then we're gonna meet my mom, my aunt, and my brother.
Could I do a number 8 with no sauce? Or just a number 3 with the Diet Coke? That'll be it.
Okay, we got the goods. We also got orange juice and Diet Coke, but they're in the door. Okay, so we'll tell you guys what we got, because we never do. Carter got a McMuffin. McGriddle.
No.
I don't even know what he got.
Bacon, egg, and cheese on a biscuit. And then Lindsay got a bacon, egg, and cheese on a bagel with no sauce.
Yeah, no sauce. I don't like the sauce.
And then 2 hash browns.
2 hash browns. So we're gonna go ahead and start eating. That way Carter can kind of not drive and eat. And then we're waiting for my mom, my aunt, and my brother to get here. They're running late. We left on time. So, how's your McGriddle?
It's not a McGriddle.
The biscuit sandwich.
Yeah, that's good.
Good. Okay. We'll probably see you guys when we start heading on the road. I said that weird. Michigan, 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 Ohio.
Let's go. Michigan.
We're in Ohio. I am just watching a movie on the iPad. Carter's listening. And we still have a while. We're stopping at Buc-ee's in Kentucky, so we have like probably 4 or 5 hours till we get there. We are in Dayton, Ohio. We have like an hour left, and then we'll be in Kentucky, and then we're stopping at Buc-ee's. Kentucky.
Let's go. Only 4 hours, 12 minutes, and then we are heading, well, until we get there, but I think we have like 2 hours till Buc-ee's, so that's gonna be the next stop.
We made it to Buc-ee's.
All right, and we are out of Buc-ee's. It was so busy in there.
Like always.
Like always, yeah. We didn't want to film, and you know, just because we would be bumping into people, but we did get some goodies. So
we're gonna do a little haul for you guys. So first, Carter got a, was this Diet Dr. Pepper?
Yes, Diet Dr. Pepper.
I was going to get a Powerade and Sprite, but I kind of forgot. It's okay. So we got a large one of those. Then we got some of the beaver chips.
They're so good.
Which here, we'll try one on camera. Here you go.
Oh snap, and it's a one that's folded.
They're homemade chips. I give them an 8. I wish they were salty. Okay, then I got a fried chicken sandwich, which I've had this before. And Carter got a
brisket
sandwich, which he's gotten before.
So good.
I give the chicken sandwich, I'll give another 8.
Yeah, I'll try mine and rate it.
I thought you already had it.
I'm not sure if I've had that one or not.
Oh, okay. Then Carter got a chicken fajita taco, which Ollie got this last time.
He liked it, yeah.
And he liked it. And then we got these, which we can try right now, which is the everything with the bagel cashews, but it's better than a bagel.
Ooh.
So let's try these right now, actually. Whoop.
Good rip.
Yeah. Oh my God, they smell so good.
They do. They're good. I like it.
They're not bad.
No, I like it.
I give these
probably 8.
I say 8.5.
8 for
They're
me.
pretty good. You
Yeah.
should try these.
But we're gonna pump gas, eat this food, and then get back on the road.
So, while we wait for my mom, my brother, and my aunt, we'll try our sandwiches really fast. I normally don't like mayo, but I like it on this sandwich. I've had it before. It's huge. I never even finish. Normally I don't even finish this.
I'll do mine now too.
These just mayo and chicken. Wish there was pickle on it.
Yeah.
Oh, there we are. Are you ready?
I couldn't hear.
All right, we're going, but I give this like an 8.5. Okay, so Carter's trying the taco first.
It's the fajita taco.
Oh, fajita taco. What'd you give it? Let me see it. Oh, dropping.
I'll give it a 8 out of 10. Jeez.
Okay, Carter's about to try his brisket sandwich.
This is a big boy.
How is it? Let's get a close look at it. Looks messy.
8.5.
8.5.
Won't be able to understand what the hell's going on. They won't be able to make the plastic fender, much less anything else. And I think.
Ooh, the Dollywood bus. To the theme park. We'll be on that tomorrow. Are you recording me?
No.
Can you?
I was.
Alright, so we have made it to our Dollywood hotel. We're just pulling in right now. We're staying at the Dollywood HEARTSONG, I believe, which is going to be fun because it's going to be a new resort that we are staying at. But we got to figure out where this is at.
Here it is.
So that's Dollywood Dreammore, so we're not staying there.
Oh, okay, so that's a different one.
Yes, so I think it's just up ahead. Wow, that's super
fancy.
nice.
HEARTSONG.
HEARTSONG, that's what it is.
Wow, this looks really nice.
Yeah, I know. Is this gonna beat Disney?
I don't know.
I like those trolley buses better.
Yeah.
I would say they do look cool from the outside. We're gonna head in, get checked in, and then head off to the room. All right, so we just checked in, and just from the lobby,
it's so nice.
It's super nice. So we're gonna get into our room, show you guys the room, and then maybe head to the pool and get some dinner later?
Maybe.
Maybe, we don't know yet, but it's super, super nice and cool. All right, and we have made it in our room. Quick little room tour before we leave, because we're actually leaving. So we got a bed there, our big bed. Head in here, little kitchen space, cool bathroom, and then the coolest part, mini fridge, and then 2 bunk beds. So we're gonna head and possibly go get some food and then relax. But so far, guys, this is awesome. It's freezing, but we're gonna swim for a little bit, hang out, relax. We just ate dinner, and it was great. So now we're just hanging out, swimming. after a long day, we are just gonna go turn it in for the night. So stay tuned for Dollywood tomorrow. We'll see you guys there. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow when we're off to Dollywood.